So welcome back guys to another video. So today took this trade on SPX and today I'm gonna show you how I took this trade. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing a quick breakdown. So I went on the daily and I saw that the daily had this huge gap, right? This huge uh imbalance. So I was like, okay, today we might be going down, right? So because it was pushing since last week, we were pushing heavy and we were pushing very heavy, which you can see here. It's a heavy push. And today I was bearish because I was like, okay, we're coming into this daily level, gonna take it out. But we also had this other uh daily level, right? But since price was not gonna push because it's impossible to push. Well, it's possible, but it's not gonna be realistic, right? So yeah, so I took this trade. I saw this price was pumping, and we saw this market gap, right? We had this Sunday market gap right before the new week, and we saw that price was pumping one day, Tuesday, and then Wednesday. I finally saw that price was exhausted in this range, right? So saw that price was exhausted because we already had the lower high made here, and also we had this market structure shift in Asia, right? We had this shift in Asia, and as you can see here, we waited for New York Open, right? So waited for New York Open 9:30, and what I basically saw here is that price was already making this bearish structure for me. So I was like, okay, we had New York Open. I saw this 5-minute imbalance, which was getting rejected nicely. As you can see, we had some rejection in this zone, but as you can see, it was just a manipulation because I saw that on the 30-minute we had this bullish imbalance that was getting respected. It was still getting respected. So I was like, okay, price wants more liquidity, right? So we're gonna take out more liquidity in this situation. As you can see, price took out these lows for New York. Took out these lows. You can see you saw this SMT. I saw this SMT in place. It's bearish SMT on NAS, right? You saw this NAS made the lower high. As you can see right here. Where is it? Yes. New York Open here. So NAS was making the lower high, right? You can see here. Move this. You can see here that price had made the SMT, right? You had a higher high on NAS, on SPX, I mean, and we had the lower high on NAS. As you can see, price was rejecting this nicely. But on SPX, we had this manipulation move, right? So We had the SMT. We took out these highs. As you can see, it was a nice double liquidity sweep with a 30-minute imbalance. We took out these lows and then came up for more liquidity, right? We also had this imbalance, this inverse, this 5-minute inverse that I was looking into, as you can see, which it tapped nicely, very nicely. So I was like, okay, we saw this bearish imbalance get rejected, and then we see price got ran through it, right? And then we saw it turned into the inverse, but we got ran through again, which is where I entered, right? So this change in the state, and I entered here shorts right after the change in the state, right? And my targets was these lows. You had sell side here with all this sell side that was resting to be taken. So this was my take profit, and yeah, that was the trade, man. That was the trade.